Hey YINZER guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a couple things that really grind my gears. Number one, I just came into the Sheets down here in Moon Township right outside of Pittsburgh, and all these JAGOFFs, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different gas pumps. Now, in Pittsburgh, you got these JAGOFFs that will go ahead and they'll park in the gas pump and they'll walk into the Sheets and they'll go and get their chips, go and get their water, go and get their Marlboros, talk to people, maybe get some food made to order, whatever. And in the meantime, you're waiting to pump some gas into your car. There's all these other parking spots. I mean, look, just hold on. I'll flip the camera around and let you see. So anyhow, here's the Sheets I was telling you about. My JAGOFF buddy from Michigan called me and interrupted the video, but right in that empty stall there was two cars. They were together. They couldn't go over to the building and park. No, they parked right there and went inside, got their food, didn't put gas in their car, left, and they were together, and then another car met them, and they all got out, and while I was on the phone with my buddy, they're talking right over in this area. See where that car is leaving? They're parked right 2 spots away from me at an angle, not in a parking spot, and the other 2 are side by side. I'll tell you what, man, they sat there, they made people go around through this area here to get over to the exit. What a bunch of JAGOFFs. I mean, if you're going to get food, if you're going to go in the store to pay for your gas, okay, that's one thing. But if you're going to get food and pop and make made to order food that Sheets has, get a burger, fries, tater tots, or whatever you're going to get, park in a parking space. Don't take up a gas pump. What a bunch of jerks. And this is what you get in Pittsburgh. And that's what grinds my gears. Here's another tip for you. When you're at the car wash and you're doing your vacuuming and cleaning inside your windows, don't be a JAGOFF and play rap music louder than anything that's going on in the area. I don't need to hear mother effing this and N-word that and all kind of obnoxious crap. So don't be a JAGOFF. Be considerate of other people, because some people don't want to listen to that stuff. Some people don't want to listen to my stuff. That's why I turn my stuff off. Have a great day, make money, and be nice to everybody that you come in contact with that's a passenger. If it's some JAGOFF at a car wash, you don't have to be nice to them.